Seema, a radiant presence in the busy city. With her warm smile and determined spirit, she navigated life's challenges with grace and resilience. Despite facing financial hurdles, her unwavering work ethic and inner beauty made her a shining example of hope in her community. One serene Sunday morning, as the sunlight danced through the stained glass windows of a small neighborhood church, a charismatic man of God delivered a powerful sermon on abundance and faith. Seema, nestled in the back pew, listened intently as his words washed over her like a comforting embrace. With every mention of blessings flowing to those who believed, her spirit stirred with newfound hope. Determined to surrender herself to the divine promise of abundance, Seema embarked on a journey of service to humanity. From volunteering at local shelters to offering a helping hand to those in need, she poured her heart into every act of kindness, trusting in the universe to honor her unwavering faith. Weeks turned into months, and just when the weight of her financial burden threatened to dim her radiant spirit, a miracle unfolded. One fateful afternoon, as she sorted through a stack of bills with a heavy heart, a knock echoed through her modest apartment. Standing at her doorstep was a familiar face, the man who once owed her money, his eyes filled with gratitude and humility. With a trembling voice, he handed her an envelope containing not just what he owed, but an unexpected bonus enough to lift her from the depths of worry and uncertainty. Overwhelmed with emotion, Seema fell to her knees, tears of joy streaming down her face as she whispered a heartfelt prayer of thanks to the heavens above. In that moment, she realized that the true essence of abundance was not just material wealth, but the boundless grace of God, compassion, and divine intervention. From that day forward, Seema's life blossomed like a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of faith and service. With the heart overflowing with gratitude, she continued to spread joy and kindness wherever she went, knowing that her journey was guided by a force greater than herself, a force fueled with love, hope, and unwavering faith in the power of abundance.